Let's continue with the rant from Claduran cheering sound effect. 9. It was heard on the Majesty 535 video of Ring Ring Dong Dong All Stars F Mukbang, Unboxing, Surprise Box and Unboxing Aurora Hibiscus Pact, Hibiscus Starbeam, Aurora Hibiscus Watch and Rainbow Hibiscus Light Stick. When the girl says today we open the toys and the light stick, the sound begins to come up, and she says cheerful baby Mishiro is lovely. The sound begins to come up again. 10. It was a musical cheerful baby Canade 67 video of we open the Teeniping Mukbang, Unboxing and Surprise Box. When she says let's eat the Teeniping Mukbang and open the unboxing and the surprise box, the sound begins to come up. And 11. It was heard in Ring Ring Dong Dong Season 16 Episode 315 called We Starting the War, when the Sheriff Demon Warrior Ketchel says he's a hero you see in the life, but he doesn't defend other to 1 million demon warriors. The sound begins to come up, and Kofrit and Chypri says long life Cure Pecorin, and 4 demon warriors cheer. The sound begins to come up again, and Lemiao and Shampoo Meow they lie to win and cheering the sound begins to come up again.